Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. So today I'm doing a 2-in-1 video. I'll be doing 2 different Valentine's Day looks today with 2 different eyeshadow palettes, and I gotta fix myself up because I look like a mess. Anyways, these are the 2 palettes that I'll be using today. So let's just get started. I won't be talking, I will just have music going. So just sit back and relax. Okay, well that was fun. So here we go with the first look. I'm going to start with my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm starting with Warm Taupe, and I'm just basically going along my crease and I am flicking this out. So I'm winging it out on the sides, as you can see here. And basically what I'm using this one for is just to deepen up my crease. I'm using it as like a shadow, and I really pack this color on, like I pack it on, and I focus mostly on the outer edge. Anyways, going in with the next color, which is Bon Fresco. Is that how you pronounce it? I have no idea. Anyways, so I'm basically putting that just below the first color, and I am also packing this color on quite heavily, and I'm sort of putting it on my lid as well. Just going in with a blending brush and just making sure everything is nice and smooth and there is no harsh lines. Okay, I'm just going back in with the Warm Taupe shade, and I'm really focusing on that outer edge of my eye and just very gently bringing it into the crease. I think I'm doing it a bit too gently, but I was just kind of not focusing. Anyways, I'm going in with the next color. I can't remember what this one is called, but I'm just gently patting that onto my lid just for a little added sparkle. Next, I'm going back in with that purple shade, and I am running that from inner corner to outer corner along my lower lash line. And I also take the warm taupe shade as well, which is just here. And I'm using a different brush for that one just to be a bit more precise. I'm next just going to pop my lid shade on my inner corner, and then I'm also going to put it on my brow bone just for some highlight today. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara today. This is literally my life, and I am packing this on so heavily because I will not be wearing false eyelashes for this first look. Let me know what you guys think of the start of the video where it was just music. That was just something that I wanted to try just so the video wasn't too long. I thought it was kind of cool. Let me know if you liked it or not. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lippy in the shade Beeper, and I'm just going to slowly apply this because I was waiting to stuff it up, but surprisingly I didn't do too bad. Okay guys, so that is the first look complete. I'm literally obsessed with it, and it's such a soft and gentle look. So moving on to the next one, I'm going in with my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm taking the Puree and the Summer Yum shade, and I'm packing these colors on really, really heavily before I blend anything out. Okay, so I'm just going to take a fluffy brush now, and I'm just going to start very gently blending that up and out. Okay, next I'm going to take this shade, which is Candied Peach, and I'm going to put that through my crease and then also all over my lid just for a little bit of pink, just so, you know, it's not so flat, if that kind of makes sense. Probably doesn't. And then I'm just going to take the Bellini shade, and I am going to pop that on my lid just a tiny bit, just for some extra shimmer, just so it's not so matte. I'm then just going to get a brush and very quickly dust over that. I'm then going to go in with this shade, which is Luscious, and I'm going to apply that on my inner corner and also my brow bone for a really big pop of highlight today. Next, I'm going back in with the two first shades, and I'm just going to run them along my lower lash line, quite messily as well because I want it to be quite smoky. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, which freaking dried out on me. Wait for it. Wait for it. Here it comes. Like, where is the eyeliner? Like, where are you at? Kat Von D, what are you doing to me? I've literally used this like 4 times. Why the fuck have you dried out? Anyways, so I had a brand new Master Precise by Maybelline. Don't worry, it works. It just takes a little while to start coming through. But yeah, I'm just going to do quite a dramatic wing and just fill that in slowly. Really, could you be any slower? Anyways, I'm going to go in with the Revlon Eye Art Photo Ready Eye Art. Yeah, that's what it's called. This is in the gold shade, and I'm just going to run this along my top of my eyeliner. Wow, why was that so hard to explain, Monique? What happened there? Anyway, so this is just that bit of extra pop of color. You do not have to do this, but I just thought it added something extra. Going in for my lips now, I'm taking the Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Lady Balls, and I'm just going to apply a little bit with the doe foot applicator, and then I'm going in with a lip brush because for the life of me, I can't do red lipstick, so this makes it more bearable. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my lashes on now. These are the Ardell Natural Wispies, and I didn't want anything dramatic, just something nice and easy. And then I'm going in with the NYX Dewy Finish Spray. Alrighty guys, that is all for today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!